my name's Ella and I've secured a place to read English at the University of Oxford. I've been part of the college's Oxbridge programme since the start and honestly cannot stress enough how instrumental they've been in my success and my ability to achieve my offer, not only through their help and support with personal statement and interview work, but also through providing me an opportunity to go up and visit the universities at open days and other opportunities. So massive thank you to all of the Gower College Swansea Oxbridge team.
Hi, I'm Emily. I chose Gower College Swansea due to their excellent pass rates and wide opportunities on offer. My lecturers and tutors have been there to support me every step of the way and I couldn't be any more thankful, and I really recommend to come here for the greatest support you can get. My next step is to apply to HSPS at Cambridge University.
Hi, I'm Nancy. I came to Gower College to study maths, chemistry, English literature and ancient history. I've always aspired to study at a university such as the Russell Group universities, and being a part of the Gower College GCS Honours programme has helped me develop crucial skills in making a competitive application. I'm very grateful to be a part of the GCS Honours programme, and it's helped me immensely to pick a university and pick the subjects that I want to study. I aspire to study classical archaeology and ancient history at Oxford, and being a part of the GCS Honours programme with the support of the staff has allowed me to feel that I can make a competitive application.
Hi, I'm Noah. I came to Gower College Swansea because I heard of this really good GCS Honours programme. Throughout my time here at college, I have been helped immensely by my lecturers with admissions tests, preparation, personal statement preparation, and interview preparation. My dream is to study chemistry at Oxford, and I've been helped so much by everyone. I've also had the opportunity to go to university masterclasses where I've developed my skills. I have just recently visited Oxford and I will be visiting Cambridge in the coming months.
Hi, I'm Esme and I'm really glad I came to Gower College to study maths, further maths, chemistry and history. I've really enjoyed my time here at college and I'm very thankful to GCS Honours and helping the transition from GCSEs to A-levels be as smooth as possible. I'm really enjoying being part of GCS Honours and the Oxbridge programme, where I've had the opportunity to attend 7 masterclasses, go to Oxford University and be stretched and challenged academically in the sessions. Thanks to Gower College, when I applied to chemistry at Oxford University, I now know how to make a competitive application.
Hi, I'm Daisy, and part of the reason that I decided to study at Gower College Swansea was because of their specialists, medics, dentists and veterinary programme. And thanks to all the help and support I've received from the medics, dentists and vets programme and the staff at Gower College, I have received an offer to study medicine at Exeter and 3 interview offers, and as part of my offer from Exeter, it includes the Welsh back.